Hey, it's John-Marc, and I have an exciting lesson to share with you. And by the way, thanks for checking out this video, and I hope you learned something from each one of these steps. Well, as you know, from time to time, I've done many classic cartoons, and this one, once again, is the Roadrunner. He's always getting chased by the Wile E. Coyote super genius, as he may think he is. A fun cartoon. And if you haven't seen it, you got to check them out. And if you have seen it, you know the classic aspect of it. There's no talking, all action, and just a constant little antics that they always have between the two of them. Fun character. All right, so if you have a pencil and a paper, I think you were ready to rock and roll with this Roadrunner. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.